Welcome to my step-by-step course on how to grow your following on Instagram. So who is this course for? Whether if you're new or an experienced marketer, truly anyone interested in growing their following on Instagram for free will benefit from this course. From bloggers to business owners seeking to optimize their Instagram account, to Instagram marketers seeking that all-in-one solution for increasing their total active users on Instagram. Really, anyone looking to learn everything about Instagram marketing, from optimizing your bio, to syndicating posting to other social media platforms, to Instagram giveaways, contests, and many more strategies to help increase your engagement and therefore grow your following. By the end of this course, you will be able to grow your Instagram following with ease and for free. So what does this course cover? Truly everything the Instagram app has to offer, from A to Z. We'll delve in how to optimize your Instagram bio and choose a theme for your account. Then we'll give examples and help you start creating high quality content using the best apps that we suggest. Then we'll teach you how to break the Instagram algorithm so you can grow your following and appear more often in people's feeds. You'll also master analyzing your competition's hashtags, engagement, and sponsorships and giveaways, so you can copy the best techniques and organically grow your account. You'll also learn how to syndicate your Instagram content to other websites, such as Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. So why learn from me? I began my path into marketing as an engineering major. Once I began to learn coding in my college courses, I've always had an itch for entrepreneurial ways, as I had many businesses as a little kid. But while in college, I started to build niche keyword websites. Then I would use growth hack marketing techniques with keywords, SEO, social media marketing to build up these websites and then flip them for a profit. This strategy actually helped pay for my entire college education. So now it's over a decade later, I've built and consulted and done marketing for 500 plus clients and businesses. So after finishing in the top 8 for Entrepreneur Magazine Entrepreneur of the Year, I launched CourseEnvy.com. I partnered with several engineering and marketing acquaintances to begin to share our knowledge with the world. Another reason you should take our course is to save money. Buy just one Instagram marketing course from a top-rated instructor. Just take a minute to look at all our top reviews. Plus, we are constantly updating our courses, and we answer student questions within 48 hours. So sign up now if you're ready to master Instagram marketing and learn how to grow your followers for free.